today is Squishee Day! Yay, these are our Squishies. This is Snow Angel Squishee, and this is Center Stage's Squishee. We love jumping on Squishies, and guess what? Today we're going to open up more Squishies, and we're going to show you some special Squishies that we got. These are our Squishies that we got a while back. They're so squishy.
Thailand.
In Thailand, I know, we took a trip, and then we got these Squishies. They're so soft.
And we have to ride 100,000 airplanes.
Yes, it took us a very long time to get there.
It took us
And we bought a
6
bunch of Squishies. We lost a
It
lot
took
of them.
us 4 squishies.
But we are so excited. We're going to open up these new, amazing Squishies. They're super soft and slow rise. So these are blind bags. And we're going to show you our special Squishie. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Maybe they come in different
Oh, I guess
colors.
it's like different color
Let's see
ice creams. This is chocolate and vanilla. Does it smell good? Let's smell it.
Yes. It smells like a squishy.
It smells like a Squishie.
And
The
it's really
Squishies kind of smell like
squishy.
waffles to me. And
yeah,
it's
and it's
super
really
squishy.
squishy.
Let's squish it and see. Ooh.
Now, next one.
Okay, let's jump on it. Let's jump on it. Oh my gosh, I love jumping on. This is so soft. I can use it as a pillow.
And a bag.
And a bed.
But you
Okay,
might
let's
fall
open up our
off.
next one now. So now we have this other super soft, amazing Squishie. These are super soft. It's really slow rise. It's a little bun. Is it a? Oh no, it's a muffin. So this is our muffin Squishie. This one is not as slow rise, but it is super cute. Should we smell it too? What does it smell like?
It smells the same.
It smells the same, like a waffle-y scent. So this is our Squishie. Let's see if it's slow rise. Oh, it is slow rise. She dips her foot in it and it's slow rise. We'll do it from the bottom. Let's see.
It looks like a bouncy house.
It's like a bouncy house. Let's bounce then. Bounce, 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 bounce. Look at these Squishies. Okay, we have one more Squishie that we're going to open. The last Squishie.
Center Stage is eating the ice cream. That's
Oh!
this one.
It's a strawberry
I
cake.
want that.
Oh my
That's
goodness. This one's super squishy. Everyone's fighting over this one because this one is super cute. Let's smell it. It all smells the same. Like the mix of rubber and waffles. Okay, and then we're going to show you our special jiggly squishies. I don't even know if these are called squishies. And we bought these in Thailand. So we keep them in their box because they pick up a lot of lint. But these ones are so cute. Look at that. There's something special about these Squishies. These Squishies actually change color in the sun. Isn't that amazing? So it's sunny outside right now. Let me see if we can make this change color. Let's see. Let's go outside and record how this changes. We're in a sunny room, and then you can see that it's hard to see. Okay, we're going to put them in the sun, and do you see? It changes purple in the sun. Isn't that super cool? It changes purple in the sun. It's so squishy. And then if we move it back to the shade, sorry, we have to do it in another room, it slowly changes back. See, maybe if I close my hands, it won't be sunny, and then we'll see if it changes back. It hasn't changed back yet, but let's see. Moved into like a darker place, and now it changed back. And then we can move into the sun. So I'm like moving around my little house right now. So let's see, we're gonna put him in the sun, and he gets really, really dark purple. Isn't that cool? This squishy wishy is jiggly and jello, like jello.
Magic is not real.
This is not magic. This is like a chemical reaction. Okay, so we're back and it's all clear now. See? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, look at how sticky this is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how cute she is with this little hat. Ow! Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for my big giveaway. Let me know which one of these Squishies you would like to have. Until next time, bye now.